This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER adventure Lassie and Timmy. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. The Wounded Crow. Timmy and Lassie found a wounded crow on the river bank. When they were out fishing, Timmy named him Pig. Pig didn't trust Timmy and Lassie at first, but later all three became good friends. Picture 1. While Timmy was fishing, Lassie heard a sound. Picture 2. They found a crow. It's been heard, said Timmy. Picture 3. Timmy named it Peck and carried it home. Picture 4. His wing is broken, said the animal doctor. Picture 5. Lassie kept watch over the wounded bird. Picture 6. Pig learned to ride on Lassie's back. Picture 7. Too soon, Peg was well enough to fly away. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. The Lost Mine. Timmy, Chris and Lassie found an abandoned mine. Timmy explored it alone, but a fall of rock blocked his exit. Lassie helped to dig through the rock. She and Chris dragged Timmy to safety. Picture 1. What is it, Chris? An old lost mine? Asked Timmy. Picture 2. Don't go in there alone, warned Chris. Picture 3. Oh, Lassie, Chris cried. Timmy's buried in the mine. Picture 4. Inside, Timmy dug in the dark, trying not to cry. Picture 5. Lassie tore away at the dirt. Chris dug too. Picture 6. Phew, Timmy said. Am I glad to be out of there. Picture 7. Our sign will keep other boys out, said Timmy. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. The Foolish Hunter. Timmy, Tony and Lassie were playing in the woods when Lassie smelled a deer. A hunter on the opposite side of them was shooting at it, and they were in danger until Lassie saved them. Picture 1. Timmy and Tony, playing in the woods, saw a deer. Picture 2. Bang! A hunter's bullet hit the tree above them. Picture 3. The boys froze, scared stiff. Picture 4. Lassie raced for the hunter to stop a second shot. Picture 5. Lassie leaped on the hunter, knocking his rifle upwards. Picture 6. Call off your dog, cried the hunter angrily. Picture 7. Nice picnic, boys, said the hunter, thanks to Lassie.